Hi everyone and welcome to another episode of Phi Tou's Thai Kitchen. Today we've got another classic for you and that is Pla Lard Prig. Now this is a sweet, sour and spicy sauce that you would team up with deep fried fish. So it really packs a solid punch. And today we're going to team up with Coley chunk. So if that sounds good to you, and you know it does, stick around. But until then, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell. You know it makes sense.
Good morning, welcome to Phi Tou Thai Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Pla Lard Prig or hot sweet and sour sauce. Okay, this is the ingredient. Coley fish 300 gram, 100 gram sweet chili, 100 gram garlic, 50 gram of coriander, 200 gram of coconut sugar, 4 to 5 tablespoons of fish sauce, 4 to 5 spoons of vinegar, breadcrumbs, self-rising flour. Okay, we going to chop this one and mix together, or you can use the blender. I prefer chopping this one. Okay. Chop together. Now we chop this one until very fine, like this. And then we're going to fry this one with vegetable oil. We heat the cooking oil. With a medium heat. Okay, then this one a little bit hot. Put this one fry. You keep on stirring and then simmer, leave like this, and in the same time we fry fish. Okay, this one is self-rising flour. We beat with the water. You stir this one with the water until this one becomes smooth. Okay. And then you come back to this one. You can see the color change. The color change to golden brown, and then you can smell garlic, coriander, and sweet chili. And then you can start to cook sauce. This one, okay, I put one. So, and then vinegar. And last, sugar. This 200. And then use this one, and you can see this one mix well, and then you stir it until become thick. And then you can taste if you like more sour, you can add more vinegar. If you like salty, you can add more fish sauce. Okay, yeah, now thick enough. Okay, now you move to this way.
Okay.
Alright, okay, this one smooth already. This one here you can see, not too thick, not too light. Okay, yeah, we're going to fry this one with the breadcrumb. Okay, and fish. Okay, we heat the cooking oil quite a lot until when this one hot, you know, when this one hot, right, you can see the bubble come up. Then use the fish, then dip in here, very light, okay, and then put on top of the bread. Or you can use the different fish if you like, or you can use the whole fish, sea bass, whole fish, any fish you like. This one will take a few minutes to cook until you can see brown color. Okay. Okay. And we fry sweet basil. The salt have to be thick like this.
It's time for the taste test. This looks sumptuous. This is one of the very first dishes that I tried when I started eating Thai food. Look at that, crisp. Oh, it looks gorgeous. In Malaysia, they got a dish very similar to this that they call tiga rasa, which translates as triple flavors: sweet, sour, spicy. It's a very popular dish here. Really, really good. And it's actually surprising how spicy it gets, considering you're just using sweet chilies. I mean, you've got a lot in there, but it does get pretty pokey when you think that you've got no bird's eye chilies in here. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that. And I feel this sauce pairs better with white meat fish. So experiment, see how you get on. And yeah, keep safe. We'll see you next Tuesday for our culinary treat. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure to do so you can keep abreast of our videos. All right, take care now. Bye.